How to fix we restrict certain activity to protect our community on Instagram. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Here you want to scroll down a little bit and then tap on Help. Tap on Report a Problem on the very top. Tap on Report a Problem again. Here you want to tap on Include and Continue. Here you can type this following sentence as I'm typing here. You can pause the video or you can just screenshot it, and then you want to tap on Send, but before that you can also attach a picture to it by tapping on Upload that is on the bottom right corner, or you can take a screenshot of what is wrong with your profile. After everything is done, you want to tap on Send that is on the top right corner. As you do that, you'll be able to fix the problem. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.